If you don't have a problem, keep this fish in your shop and later ask one of your workers
Peace be
to bring
upon
it
you.
to our
How
house.
are you?
Peace be upon you.
Strange, I can't believe we are meeting so soon.
Well, are you happy or upset about this?
What type of question is this? Obviously, I'm happy.
I'm sorry, Father, I didn't recognize him. Is he one of your friends? Introduce him if you can.
Yes, son, why not? When you were not here with me and I was alone. Then he took care of me and never left me alone.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, brother, this is my son I told you about.
Thank you for taking care of my father. It was a great pleasure to meet you.
I am also pleased to meet you, and whatever I did, it was my duty.